So one of the things I wanted to do on here right away is I do not care for the painted hubcaps. So I've been pulling those off and using some paint stripper, and they look pretty good. I mean, there's still some little dings and stuff, but the chrome is pretty nice looking. So this is actually the last of the 4, and when I got it, it already had some paint scraping off, and I went, oh boy, I think that might come off pretty easily. So I'm going to take this off. And before I'm all done, his wheels need to be repainted too. So this is hubcap number 4. I've already done 3 of them. There's remains of some paint down in there. And so all I've been doing is setting them down in this bus tub. And then I just happen to have this citrus-based stripping gel. And it works really well. It's thick, so it doesn't just run off. It doesn't smell terrible. Just pour that on there, spread it around with a brush, and then come back later and scrape off the paint. I've been using some of these like tongue depressor popsicle sticks. Worked really well for that. And then of course, even though it's a safer type of paint remover, still going to be wearing gloves while doing all that. And mostly using the paint brush, well, chip brush, to get it to those outside edges more than anything. Okay, and then just let that sit. It has been about 15 minutes since I put the paint stripper on, and you can really see how it's just kind of wrinkled and peeled up, and most of that will just like come right off. There were still a few spots where there was some paint stuck on there, so I just added some more paint stripper, let it sit for another 10 minutes, and then came back to wipe it off. It's basically all just more or less wipes off now. And I also found, like in here, a toothbrush works really well for like little details. You can really get in there and scrub. But the main thing now really is this just has to get washed off. Well, still a little bit of primer here. But just like a little scrubbing, it comes right off. And that's with a paper towel. I'm not using anything that can accidentally scratch the chrome. So now this is just after having washed it off. Maybe a couple of specks here and there. So I can make sure to go in close and get any last little bits. But whatever little bits are there, I think I can just polish off actually. With this type of polish, you just put some on a rag and spread it around on the chrome. Just make sure you get an even coat. It kind of dries a little and takes on a cloudy appearance, and then at that point you take a different towel and you just polish it off. I can literally see myself in the hubcap, which that's getting pretty cool. Now I gotta paint those ugly rims. So yeah, I still need to repaint the rims. I also have to replace the water system in the camper. All that on top of converting this to electric. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, make sure to subscribe, come on back, check out the playlist, and until then, stay charged up.